Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, December 5th. Levi and I just finished having breakfast. I had oatmeal with bananas, cinnamon, and honey, the usual thing that I eat every morning. And Levi had a breakfast bar and some chopped up strawberries. And then I ordered Starbucks coffee online, and my sister-in-law is picking that up for us and coming over for a little bit to hang out. And I'm gonna do some laundry, some dishes, get some cleaning done, and yeah, we'll see where the day takes us, and I'm taking you guys along with me. I just laid Levi down for a nap, and I made myself a lunch. I'm having a spinach, kale, cucumber, avocado salad, a bottled water, and a little bit of this cheese risotto, I think it's called. My sister-in-law was here for the majority of the morning / afternoon. It is now 3:30 on the dot. Finally just relaxing and eating my lunch while Levi naps. I know you saw me carry up that package. You may be wondering what it is. So in a minute, after I eat my lunch, I'm going to open it and we will check it out together. Those of you that don't know what this is, it is a ring light. It is a ring of light, and you can put your phone or camera right here and help me out with some better lighting for my videos, for my photos, whatever the heck I want to use it for. Stoked. I am going to attempt to set it up right now by myself, and if I can't figure it out, I'll have Robbie do it when he gets home. But I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Alright, so I finally have it put together. Took me a little while, but now I've got 3 freaking cords. Not sure why, maybe one's just an extra, but let's plug it in and see how she looks. Alright, I've got it all plugged in, so here is the moment of truth. Wow. Okay, blinding. I'm literally about to put my camera on this spot and see how it looks. Okay, wow. Oops. Let's fix this. Wow. This is freaking amazing. It works so well. It literally looks so good. You can see me so much better than usual, because for those of you who watch my videos and my vlogs, you know that the lighting in my apartment freaking is bogus. So this is like, wow, this is amazing. This is gonna help so much for when I'm like just sitting down and talking. It also comes with this little piece. You can screw it on, put your phone in there, take some bomb selfies. And then it comes with this Bluetooth remote. You can hook it up to your phone and just press the button and take a picture of yourself without even touching your phone screen. So that's freaking cool. Freaking. I don't know why I'm saying freaking so much. Love this thing. Wow. Super pumped, super happy. Okay, yeah, and I put it together all by myself. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good. So for anyone who's ever wanted to get a ring light, I would say go for it, because this thing is the bee's knees. It is off Amazon. I believe it's just like the one that says Amazon's choice, Amazon's best choice, bestseller, best choice. I don't know what it is, but I can't complain. It's really nice, easy to put together, easy to use. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, I give this an A+. Okay guys, and I just realized I can turn this knob and it gets even brighter and dimmer. I did not know that. Let's see if it focuses. Okay, it's the dimmest right now. Brighter, 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 blinding. Dang, I didn't even have it turned up all the way, so yeah, you see, this thing's pretty dang cool. I give it a thumbs up. Does anyone ever crave ramen? Because I'm craving ramen to the point where literally I had Robbie go pick me up some from the store last night, and I ate one last night and I'm about to eat one right now. Also, before anyone comes at me, I know that ramen's not good for you. I know that it causes weight gain apparently, and the noodles are like bad for your body, and yeah, I know it's not good for me, and I'm a super health conscious person, so usually when I eat stuff like this I feel really bad about myself afterwards, but I'm trying to gain weight anyways. Not that this is the right way to gain weight, but I'm just like F everything lately. Just been eating what I want, although I still eat pretty freaking healthy. But yeah, sometimes you just crave a bowl of ramen. Maybe you don't, but I do. Also, do you call it ramen or ramen? Because I definitely vote ramen. Also, let's look at my beautiful Christmas tree. It's just beautiful. The stockings are stuffed. Well, not stuffed, but I mean, Robbie's is the most stuffed. I pretty much stuffed his. I guess he's got a few things in mine. I already gave Levi like 2 things out of his stocking, but I bought these little figurines. There's Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Goofy, Donald. I don't know, the whole crew's up in that stocking. So yeah. You guys watch this.
Nah.
Alright, watch this. Pick mommy's nose. You are so silly. You're so silly. Can I have a kiss? Say hi. Alright guys, well, that is the end of today's vlog. Hopefully it wasn't extremely boring to you, considering I sat inside all day. Whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for me right now. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned in for our future videos. And once again, thank you so much for watching.